today I'm going to be making fluffy slime. To make fluffy slime, instead of borax, I'm going to use eye contact solution or saline solution. Make sure it has boric acid in it. Then I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to be using shaving gel, or you can use shaving foam, it doesn't matter. And then you can also, and then this is optional, I'm going to be using food coloring and glitter. And then the most important ingredient, glue. So, you just need some glue. That should be just the right amount. You're also going to be needing, then this is the time that you're going to want to put in your half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then you want to mix that very thoroughly until you can no longer see any powder. That looks just about right. And then you're going to want to add your shaving gel or shaving foam. But from what I've learned, shaving gel works a lot better. So you just want to put until it's nice and fluffy. And then mine is pink or purple toned, so my slime is going to turn out a little pink. But the food coloring will take care of that a little bit. You want to mix that very thoroughly. And you just want to put however much until it's very, very fluffy. I'm going to want my slime to be very, very fluffy, so I'm going to add a little bit more. And then you want to mix that very well. Okay. So then after you're done adding that, you're going to want to add your food coloring. I'm going to be adding a drop of green because I want mine to be a light green. You can use any type of food coloring for this part. Then you want to mix that until you can no longer see the white, or in my case, the pink color. So. And then after that is completely green, I'm going to add my sparkles. Again, you do not need to add sparkles or food coloring to this. I want to add quite a few sparkles because I want my slime to be very sparkly. Right now, it may just look like it has spots, but in the end, it will look sparkly. And now is when the magic is going to happen. I'm going to add my contact solution or my saline solution. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it until it no longer sticks to the bowl. So now you can kind of see it's coming together. And now you just want to add it again until it's no longer sticking to the bowl. You are going to have to use quite a lot of the saline solution or the eye contact solution so that it completely comes together. If you want it to be a little more sticky, like if you're going to add beads or anything like that into it, you're going to want to add less eye contact solution into it. But if you want it to be kind of thick and not sticky, you are going to add more saline solution. Okay, and then after it's mostly stopped sticking to the bowls, you're going to want to start playing with it. At first, it is going to be sticking to your hands, but the more you play with it, the less sticky it's going to get. So. And in the end, if you need any more contact solution or any more shaving foam or anything like that, you can add it. Like now, I think I'm going to need a little bit more contact solution, so I'm just going to add that. And as you can see, I've just started using my hands instead of the spoon because it's not sticking to my hands too much anymore. You can also use lotion in this if you want it to be a little more stretchy, but I did not use that this time. As you can see, it turned out sparkly and pretty, and I like it a lot. And then when you are completely done with your slime and you think you're done playing with it, you can store it in an airtight container. Thank you for watching my video, and bye!